Hey everybody, welcome back to my last week of this bridal series that I've been sharing with you guys. It has been so fun to put this together for you, and I really hope that you're able to learn something and maybe share something with a bride that you know. As always, thank you for being so supportive of me and my channel and my business. And if you have any questions about anything we've talked about or that we're going to talk about today, make sure you reach out to me. I love to help and serve you guys in any way that I possibly can. So if you need help with anything, please just let me know. But let's jump into today's video. Today we are going to be talking about wedding details in general. Not necessarily anything to do with your appearance, but all the other stuff that comes with a wedding, which I know can be so overwhelming. So I'm going to share 5 tips with you guys today that will hopefully just help you stay focused on the main goal of getting that big day planned out perfectly and ironed out so smoothly that it goes off without a hitch. So let's jump right in. All right, so my first tip for you is to plan ahead and give yourself time. I suggest giving yourself at least 6 months, at least 6 months to plan out your wedding. If you are not giving yourself that much time, you're going to be struggling. Not only are you going to be struggling to find a venue, but you're going to be struggling to get things like your dress altered on time, to get all the things planned out, and if you spread it out and you give yourself more time, you're not going to be as stressed out. So give yourself plenty of time, at least 6 months. A year is ideal, but make sure that you're planning things ahead and booking things with enough time so that you're not stressed in the long run. Also, if you're kind of getting down to the wire and you haven't booked your venue yet or gone dress shopping, you're gonna be struggling. Most places, if you say have a early summer wedding, like a June wedding, if you're not booked by February, you're going to be struggling to get the day that you want, and you're going to end up getting married during the week. Trust me, I know firsthand. I got married on a Thursday. It was wonderful. I don't have any regrets, but it wasn't ideal for the wedding that I originally wanted. So plan ahead, especially with your venue. Find that place and book it far in advance so that you have it just taken care of before it goes away and you don't have the option of the date that you want. Tip number 2 is be open about your budget and stick to it. This one can be hard, I know, because money is hard to talk about sometimes. But whoever is dealing with your budget with you, you need to be 100% open with and 100% honest and make sure that you are sticking to those details so that you don't end up going over budget, because nobody wants to go over budget. Daddy doesn't want to go over budget. Fiance doesn't want to go over budget. You don't want to go over budget. Nobody wants to do that because it just adds extra stress. Yes, I know that there's those times where, you know, an extra $100 here, an extra $100 there doesn't seem like a big deal and we figure it out, but that adds up fast. So be very open with your family, whomever is taking care of that budget with you. Be very open and respectful of their money and their time. And I promise, if you're just open about it and talk about it beforehand, nip it in the bud, it'll be so much easier, and then there won't be any awkwardness or regrets later or anything like that. Go have a meeting with your family and sit down and say, these are my top priorities. These are the things that I want. These are the things that maybe I don't want. And then kind of start to meet in the middle and figure out what you can do, where you can, you know, save a little bit of money here or save a little bit of money there, and figure out what's your top priorities and what can fit into your budget. Okay, my next tip, number 3, is think outside the box. Now, this one is especially important if you're trying to save money. I really tried to save money on my wedding. It almost became a challenge to me to see how much money I could actually save, because I'm frugal and because I didn't want to put that extra stress on my family, because we didn't really talk about a budget. So learn from me. But making sure that you are thinking outside of the box on things like your decorations, or maybe getting your dress secondhand, or finding a good package deal with a photographer, or a videographer, or a hair and makeup artist. Like, thinking outside the box can save you money and Sometimes it makes it more fun too. I personally decided to do all my centerpieces for my wedding. It was super easy and fast. I didn't do anything extravagant, but I enjoyed it. It was something that I got to do with my friends. And ultimately, it was thinking outside the box and saved us a little bit of money instead of having to rent our centerpieces. I've also helped a lot of other people with that as well. And you can get really creative and do some beautiful things from the dollar store and some spray paint, and they can turn out wonderful and really cheap as well. Right. Tip number 4. This one is for all my girls out there that are like me and that are a little OCD and just want to take care of everything yourself. I'm speaking to you. Please delegate. There's things that you may not have as a strong suit, and those are the things that you need to delegate. Planning a wedding is huge. There are so many details to planning a wedding, and you need to delegate those out so that your friends and your family who love you and want to help and support you can. But if you're not open about what you need help with, they don't know how to help you. So if you're not good at crafting, either rent the centerpieces or have somebody that's good at crafting do them for you. If you're not good at doing your hair and makeup, hire somebody to do it for you. If you're not good at putting together a playlist or something like that, hire a DJ. Again, you have to figure out what's in your budget, but I highly recommend finding people to do these things for you, especially things like the DJ and the hair and makeup, because on your wedding day, you are so consumed with so many different things that you don't have time to be making sure that playlist is perfect or to be doing your own hair and makeup. Find somebody to take care of you. And that brings me to my last tip, which is number 5. Enjoy your wedding day. It is gone like that. Like seriously, it takes so long to plan and you blink and it's over. And I wish that I could go back and replay my wedding day over and over and over because it went by so quickly. So sit back and enjoy it. Don't let the stress of the little things get to you, because there will be something that goes wrong. There always is. There will be something that's not perfect, but that's okay. Just enjoy and ask for help. Let the people that are surrounding you love on you by helping you. That's why they're there. That's why they are a part of your bridal party or a part of your family, because they want to be there to support you and love you and help take care of you so that you can enjoy your wedding day. I hope that this series has been helpful for you. I hope that you've learned a few things along the way. Please, if you have any questions or if you're looking for some insight on wedding details, I'd love to help. In fact, I not only do hair and makeup for weddings, but I'm also a bridal assistant as well. You can hire me to come and help you during your wedding to make sure that your hair and makeup is perfect, but also to make sure your dress is perfect in your pictures, to make sure that Aunt Karen doesn't drink too much, to do damage control, whatever it is you need me to do. I also do that as well because I'm so passionate about brides and about weddings. So if you're needing any extra help, please reach out to me. I would love to take care of you. Again, go ahead and share this video or subscribe below to my email list so that you can stay in the loop with all the things that I do, and I hope you enjoy. So until next time.